We take 200 grams of sesame seeds, we put in the pot, we on the stove at the minimum power and we toasted them for 10-15 minutes. Keep attention not to spoil them. Toasted our seeds 10 minutes, 15 minutes on the stove at the minimum power. Be careful because it's very easy to burn the seeds. We add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt, and we mix. And our sauce is ready. Spectacular, very tasty and creamy. If you notice that it's too dry, don't worry, you can add 1 or 2 more tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So please subscribe to the channel, leave me a like and watch the other video. Don't miss the next video because we will use the tahini sauce or tahini paste to prepare the hummus. So let's see in the next recipe. Bye bye!